Pwede ni protekta o protekta sa mua. Kung dili tao lang pananaw sa mua. Itrato nila murag basura.
Dr. Rolando Manglao said, "We've been corralled for 5 years. Despite pleading for the government's administration, yet no one was and is to protect us. People here don't see us as human beings. To them, we are garbage." The Manobos were also attacked 5 years ago, when their leader, Renato Anglao, was shot dead. His killing remains unresolved.
Ako sabi, kinsang masundo, si Tato Rando ang basuran.
To them, we are garbage!
Luoy, nagbe ako sa ilang tribe. Imagine, makoral mo for 5 years. Respeto, pagmahay.
Sir, I'm 5 years yet. Come on, just like way, mag-help and stuff.
Ano ba? Sila yung mga outcast sa hierarchy. Sila kayo masuwag lang tayo.
Dili ninyo masabtan, kaya wala man ninyo nasulayan.